Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. I know that there's been a bit of a stretch here between videos. Just been trying to, take care of a bunch of things for the family. Finally was able to get my mom moved back from Colorado into her new facility here in Idaho yesterday. So pretty excited about that. Hopefully that's off of my plate today. Emmett and I are going to run down to Shane's place and check out the new engine and transmission that just came in from Craig at River City Rods and Fabrication. I'm just more than thankful that he shared that with us. Really excited to put it in this build and, get rocking. As well as just, we're going to run down and check out a bunch of the other stuff that showed up for the build. And yeah, that's the plan for today.
Hi.
Okay, so here it is, engine and tranny that just came in from Craig at River City Rods and Fabrication. It's a 302 mated with a 4-speed tranny. I'm so thankful that he sent this over. Put it up on the shelf here to keep it out of the way. We're gonna pull it down, get it cleaned up, put it on an engine stand and see if we can make it run. But man, I can't thank him enough for the hookup on this. It's gonna fit really, really nice in the 76 F100 build that we're doing now. I'm gonna run over and we'll take a look at the frame and crown-vic suspension and see what other parts we can dig up. Not a ton has changed with this frame yet. Still waiting on the back half. I know Malco's working on that. I know he's working on the front notch for the front suspension, but we do have the crown-vic. Now this thing came super cleaned up. Guy had acid etched it, everything. I mean, it's ready to be installed. Really, really excited about this piece. It's gonna have air where the shocks and springs are currently. It came with the rotors and calipers and some pieces to get that installed. So pretty excited about that. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited about all the parts and pieces showing up finally, but we do have a few more I'm gonna check out right now. So here are the bed sides, the tailgate and the front bed panel. We've got to cut the bed sides down, get them ready to go. I think we're gonna end up shaving the tailgate into the bed. I'm not sure. But that's kind of the plan for now. Pretty excited to finally have some parts and pieces showing up.
Oh, we're just running out to the yard to pick up some extra parts we need for a couple projects that we're working on, our personal stuff that we drive around. So always nice to have some backup stuff. You don't have to go to the parts store.
For sure. So I made the mistake of driving off with my gas cap sitting on the top of the bed today, but fortunately I got plenty of spares laying around, so taken care of now. So I know the vlog today was pretty short, but it was crazy trying to get my mom settled into her new permanent home, and just a bunch of running around, getting random things taken care of. But overall, I'm really happy. I'm excited about what the future has to offer. Got some stuff in the works for this truck, which will be pretty exciting. Tomorrow is going to be an extremely exciting day. Going to do a trade-off and pick up something that I've wanted for a really long time. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. But overall, I really am extremely thankful for you guys' support and for checking out the videos and grabbing hats and just everything. So I want to say thank you to you guys, and I look forward to doing more of these and on a more consistent basis from here on out. But overall, I just want to say thank you again. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button, tell a friend, like it, share it, and I'll catch you next time.